bet you haven't seen a power box like this at a campground. We're at a bakery called Companion. I'm sitting outside here with the girls, and the other girls went inside to check it out, but apparently they have a school in there, a bakery, everything's in there. They supply a bunch of the restaurants here, I guess in St. Louis, and they're dog friendly. You can bring your dog out on this whole patio. Look at the operation. And they make all the stuff for restaurants, for the grocery stores. It is pretty awesome. Today is a holiday, so they're open. That's pretty cool. They got all different kinds of coffees. They've got the inside seating along with the outside seating. You're allowed to bring your dogs here, and they have a couple of these, but this is the main hub where they make all the stuff for the different restaurants. Yeah, this place is ridiculous.
Have any corn syrup or cornstarch or powdered sugar in them? All right, well, we want 2 granola bites, 2 oatmeal cranberry cookies, and 1 chocolate croissant.
I think we're officially off the wagon here.
Veggie sandwich. I need a fork and knife.
You guys ready for some breakfast? Well, we had a pretty good time in St. Louis. All packed up, time to get back on the road. Did you enjoy yourself?
I did, very much.
So, kind of went off the wagon with the bakery thing. We usually don't eat like that, so probably have stomach aches later today, but it was worth it. It's pretty good stuff. So stopped to pick up a 6-pack of beer at the Bait Bullets and Beers or whatever that place was, the BBB. I got a local beer in Missouri that I've never had before, so it's pretty decent. It's called a Midwest Coast IPA. I'll see how it is later. All right, we're headed to Rocky Mountain National Park. We got 3 days on the road. Good luck figuring out what we are. Yeah, we're going. $6. How much is that?
6.
It's $6. We thought we were gonna have to throw it in a unmanned thing, so I got a bunch of change. Thank you. Well, Lisa was right. $6. It goes by the axle. Lisa's making lunch again. So while she does that, I'm gonna go outside and do a quick walk around. Just check and make sure tires don't look low or anything's hanging off someplace. Just stopped and got fuel, $136 and some change. Should be in Nebraska tonight. God, look at the size of these potholes. It gets worse. That's the road we gotta turn on. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. We picked the campground out of Passport America, and it looked like it was right off the interstate. And when we got off the interstate, the GPS said 9 miles, and then a warning came up. You're gonna be driving on a dirt road for like 2 miles. I'm like, what? All right, we just got all set up, and check this out. We got a hitching post at our campsite. This is a little bit off the beaten path, but the girls want to go for a walk. Yeah, so we pulled in, and the owner came over, and she's like, all right, this is what you need to do. Drive down into the loop, come around, and come into this #1 spot. Worked out perfect. And she goes, I'll come around later with the paperwork, don't worry about it. I'm like, all right. So we're just waiting for her to come around so we can pay her. To just check the radar because the temperature dropped, and it appears that ain't going to be out for very long. We're right there by Topeka. Pretty cool. I got to show you the power box though. I bet you haven't seen a power box like this at a campground. Lisa's making some dinner. She's making some salads. We're trying to make up for that bakery we went to. So we got some stuff in the toaster oven, some stuff there. The girls are panting. They're nervous because look at the storm outside. And we have a leak right here. Towel down there to kind of absorb it.
That's why it's always good to bring spare towels.
Yeah, that's what Lisa said. It's always good to bring spare towels. You never know. We've been torrential downpours, never leaked again. And here's the first time it's leaking again in over a year. So I'm gonna put some blue tape on it right there where it's leaking, and then try to figure it out. It's coming from the windshield. And besides bringing spare towels, bring some blue tape, painter's tape. Comes off real easy, and you never know when you need to tape something temporarily. When we get probably into California, I can get a ladder to get up there. I'll look. It could be leaking from like in the center and traveling down and coming through. I don't know. Might have to just reseal the whole windshield. Yep. So poured out all last night, and we gotta get everything disconnected and get on the road. But it's in the rain. Trying to get the girls walked. I know it's raining, Tara. Okay, check out this power pedestal. It's actually got fuses. Let me know if you ever seen a power pedestal like that with fuses. We stayed at a lot of campgrounds, and we've never had one with fuses. The girls are ready to go. Why are you huffing for, huh? Camping's hard, isn't it? Yes, it is. RV travel with the dogs. You still got your leash on. Lisa's got to go mail out some packages. Wait till you see this post office. That's it. And it's in a residential neighborhood. It's the weirdest thing ever. Look how small it is. It looks like a little bit bigger than a shed. We stopped for a quick break, but the leak over there on Lisa's side, it started leaking all across the whole thing. It's dripping on everything. What I think is happening is I think the leak's over there, and it's following the rubber gasket for the windshield. Every time we make a turn, it comes out over here if I'm turning right, and it comes out over there if you're turning left. We'll worry about that when we get to California. It's nice and cold. You like that, don't you? Yeah. You can see Tara back there. It's hard at work. Well, we just stopped to fuel up, and the trucker next to me said, "Which way you going?" And I said, "Over towards Denver, Rocky Mountain National Park." And I noticed it's dramatically colder out now. It's only 46 degrees. He said, you might want to check the weather radar. This rain, I guess right there at the end of Kansas, is snow. Well, we stopped kind of early today. We didn't drive as far as we normally would drive, but the wind was 30 miles an hour coming out from the side, and I was tired of fighting it. And just a little bit further on our route, they're having a snowstorm. So it's like, yeah, we're done. So we're gonna try to get out of here tomorrow. We're still heading that same direction. I'm hoping that everything's cleaned up by tomorrow morning. But look how muddy everything is from all that rain. Is she frisky? Are you frisky? At least it's miserable. It's cold.
I'm a Florida girl.
How you do? You're all soaked.
I am soaked.
Why didn't you wear your rain jacket?
I think it was raining that hard.
I think we're gonna hang out in here for the night. Hey, you want to sit outside?
No.
On days like this, when you set up and it's just miserable, the weather's just horrible, you wonder why even do it. And this is why. Well, we're getting ready to leave. I think it's called Oakley, Nebraska, or no, Kansas. And I just got all the blocks of wood out. Nothing was frozen. We're at 33 degrees this morning. I think it's October 10th. So just doing a walk around to double check to make sure that everything's put away before we take off. What you think of that snow? This is the snow that we pulled over for last night, where it was snowing up the road. And it doesn't get to see snow in Florida very much. So Lisa, what do you want for Christmas? It's way too soon for that. It's only October 10th. Well, we just got done feeding the gas pump $130 something. So we should be good for the rest of the day today. We'll be in the campground tonight at our home base, so to speak, the Explore Rocky Mountain National Park. But today is also going to be cooking day, and I think some laundry. Well, we made it to our stop in Colorado at Rocky Mountain. Gotta get the car disconnected. I'm gonna leave the car right there at the store. And I'll come back down and get the car in a little bit. Lisa's going out back just to make sure I ain't gonna run over anything. You can only see so much, but there's the monitor. There she is. Yeah, we're filling up the water tank again. You can see we're almost up to full. We're gonna disconnect. It's supposed to get below freezing tonight. And that's where the hose is. So we went grocery shopping at Walmart. And today is grill day. So I'm deciding whether I want to grill. It's still snowing out. All right, Lisa tried to talk me out of grilling, but it really needs to get done. We have the time, so got the grill set up. Just gotta wait for it to warm up. I'm starting to rethink this cooking on the grill thing today. It's starting to snow out pretty decent. Let's see what Lisa's up to. Wow, it's not snowing in here. What are you making?
Chili.
Oh, that's appropriate. You want to make it outside?
No, thank you.
I'll set you up the camp stove.
That's good. I'm making it in here.
Oh, you got your new toy. It's cold out. It's like 33 degrees, 32 degrees. What's up, Snow Dog?
Haircut.
You caught some snowballs today. That was a little different. Didn't expect it to be a mouthful of ice, did you? You're a good dog, Anna. Tara, you sleep a lot. Hey, come outside. I want to show you something.
Yeah.
The weather's beautiful.
That's nice, dear. I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Not only is it warm in here, but it smells unbelievable.
Smells good?
It does. It smells really good. What's got going on in there?
Chili.
Oh, man. Where'd you get the recipe from?
Cooking light.
All right. Oh. Hey, don't mind me. I think they just fogged the lens up. Fog my glasses up. See what the dogs are doing. Are you tired? Did you have a hard day on the road? I was sleeping. It was so hard. You got so much sleep. How are you doing? Snow. I caught a snowball today. While you slave over that stove, I'll go outside where it's snowing. 6 feet both ways. Both ways, Lisa.
Yeah.
Back to school, uphill, both ways, snowing. Oh, actually, I think it's slowing down. Yeah, it's slowing down a little bit. Well, we didn't get all the cooking done on the grill. Lisa's still making stuff in the nice warm RV while I have to slave outside over with snowflakes and all kinds of stuff. Got the girls sitting here. We're gonna sit down and grab some dinner, and then tomorrow, Rocky Mountain National Park. Hope you join us, and thanks for watching.